Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will cover the top 50 weekly current affairs from 28th April to 4th May. This current affairs is completely in English. If you are looking for the best 200 current affairs of April month, kindly check the link in the description below. I have provided the PDF in the description box. Let's get into the video. First question. Who appoints Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? CVC. Options are Prime Minister, President, Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha. The answer is B. President. Next one. Who took oath as Chief Vigilance Commissioner on 25th April 2020? Options are Sanjay Kothari, Rajesh Iyer, Kamraj SK, Krishna Kumar. The answer is A. Sanjay Kothari. Next one. Barak missile system is jointly developed by India and which of the following country? Here you can see the Barak missile. Options are Russia, Italy, Israel, USA. It was jointly developed by India and Israel. The 38th parallel divides which of the following? Options are North Korea and South Korea, North Vietnam and South Vietnam, United States of America and Canada, D. None of the above. This 38th parallel, it is a boundary line between two countries. The countries are answer North Korea and South Korea. Some other important boundary lines, for example, Durand line, it is a boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Hindenburg line between Germany and Poland. McMahon line between India and China. Radcliffe line between India and Pakistan. And 17th parallel between North Vietnam and South Vietnam. 31st parallel between Iraq and Iran. 38th parallel between North Korea and South Korea. And 49th parallel between USA and Canada. Siegfried line between the Germany and the France. Purple line between Israel and Syria. These are all important for exam perspective. Please have a note of it. Next one. Which country conducts pitch black exercise? It is a military exercise. Options are Australia, India, Russia, France. The answer is A. Australia. It was the exercise conducted by Royal Australian Air Force. With which country USA made a treaty named New START Agreement for Reduction and Limitation Nuclear Weapons? To reduce the use of nuclear weapons, USA has made a treaty with which of the following country? China, Russia, India and France. The answer is B. Russia. Some other military exercises are Indradhanush. The participating nations are Indian Air Force and Royal Air Force of France. Next, Ajay Warrior between India and the United Kingdom. Sahyog Kaijin between India and Japan. BIMSTEC Disaster Management Exercise. The participant nations are India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. The Sampriti Exercise between India and Bangladesh. Hand in Hand 2019 between India and China. Indra between India and Russia. Mitra Shakti, the participating nations are India and Sri Lanka. Zair al-Bahr between India and Qatar. Kazin, India and Kazakhstan. Which of the following is true about SN 2010 KD? Super luminous supernova. Discovery of a new galaxy, discovery of a new planet, a comet which could hit the planet Earth. SN 2010 KD, it is a super luminous supernova. Now what is a supernova? Supernova is the explosion of a star in space. Which of the following is the world's largest coral reef system? Great Barrier Reef, Apo Reef, Belize Barrier Reef, Gulf of Mannar. A. Great Barrier Reef. Australia called for a trilateral cooperation as natural custodians of Indian Ocean with which of the following two countries? Now Australia collaborate with the two other countries as natural custodians of Indian Ocean. The other two countries are Malaysia and India, China and India, Indonesia and India, Japan and India. The answer is C. Indonesia and India. Which of the following countries are not engaged in a territorial dispute over the ownership of Spratly Islands Archipelago? China, Vietnam, Philippines, D. Indonesia. Answer is D. Indonesia. Now, what is this Spratly Islands dispute? The Spratly Islands dispute is an ongoing territorial dispute between China, Taiwan, Malaysia, and Philippines and Vietnam. Here you can see the group of islands. These are Spratly Islands. Its group is called archipelago. Here you can see the China, Taiwan, Philippines, Malaysia, and Vietnam. To concern their ownership of the Spratly Islands, these nations, China, Taiwan, Vietnam, Malaysia, Philippines, there is a dispute going on between these nations from several years. What are the main reasons for dispute? The country that ends up claiming territorial ownership over the Spratly Islands. So among these nations, if China got the ownership of Spratly Islands, then China get the control over all the South China Sea. They gain the control of the most of the South China Sea. This is because their territorial seabeds would extend not from their mainland coastline but from the islands coastline. Here you can see the Spratly Islands. So these coastline all over extended to South China Sea. Next one. Atal Tunnel is being constructed under which pass? Natula, Rohtang, Lipula, Zojila. The answer is B. Rohtang Pass. India ranks dash in Ease of Doing Business report index released by the World Bank. 60, 63rd, 57, 65th. The answer is B. 63rd. As a part of India's war against COVID-19, which Ministry of Government of India has launched Lifeline Udaan? Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Defence and Ministry of HRD. It has been launched by Ministry of Civil Aviation. This Lifeline Udaan, with this program, India can transport medicines and PPE kits to other nations with the help of flights. Which of the following is not in the top 5 military expenditure in the world? Russia, Canada, India, Saudi Arabia. Let's look at the top 5 military expenditures. First one, US, United Nations. Next one, Russia. Third one, India. Fourth one, China. And the fifth one is Saudi Arabia. So Canada is not a part of top 5 military expenditure. Next one, Jal Jeevan Mission aims to ensure Har Ghar Jal, piped water supply to all rural households by 2024 comes under which ministry? Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Agriculture. So this mission comes under Ministry of Jal Shakti. Headquarters of Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, SIPRI, is located at London, Washington DC, Solna, Paris. It is located at Solna of Switzerland. Let's have a brief discussion about Jal Jeevan Mission. It was launched in 15th August 2019 by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So what is its main theme? India has 16% of old population but only 4% of freshwater resources. The reason is depleting groundwater, overexploitation and deteriorating water quality, climate change, etc. are major challenges to provide potable drinking water. So under this Jal Jeevan Mission, the government envisages renewed efforts to provide water supply to every household by 2024. The main theme is piped water supply to all households by 2024, integrated demand and supply side management of water at the local level, and will converge with other central and state government schemes, and the creation of local infrastructure for rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge and management of household wastewater for reuse in agriculture. Which of the following is a new initiative of the Ministry of Panchayati Raj to provide rural people with the right to document their residential properties? Swamitwa, Aptamitra, RGSA, E-Gram Swaraj. Answer is Swamitwa. So with the help of this initiative, people from rural areas, they can document their properties. The GOND education scheme was launched for improving literacy among rural people, among tribal people, among local people and GOND, improving literacy among non-tribal people. This education scheme is launched for improving literacy among all tribal people. COVID-19 parcel special trains is being leveraged by which of the following private entities? Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Udan. A. Amazon. The Asian Development Bank has provided 15 billion loan to which country to fund its immediate response to the coronavirus pandemic? China, India, Russia, Indonesia. So ADB provided 15 billion loan to India. Headquarter of Asian Development Bank ADB is located in which of the following? Philippines, China, Indonesia, Pakistan. Answer is Philippines. Which of the following is the largest optical telescope ever launched into space? Hubble Space Telescope, Spitzer Space Telescope, James Webb Space Telescope, Compton Gamma Rays Observatory. Answer is A. Hubble Space Telescope. It was the largest optical telescope that was launched into space to take the pictures of spatial objects. Which of the following convention that deals with the computer-related fraud, child pornography and violations of network security? Stockholm Convention, Budapest Convention, Ramsar Convention and Rio Convention. Answer is B. Budapest Convention. Bhagwan Mahavir National Park is located in which of the following state? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, Goa. Answer is D. Goa. Hospital Care Assistive Robotic Device HCARD. A robot is recently in news. Is developed by which of the following institute? A. CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IISc Bangalore. Answer is CSIR. This Hospital Care Assistive Robotic Device HCARD, it is a device which can help in maintaining physical distance, sample collection, audio-visual communication, D all the above. So this HCARD, it can help people in all these above situations. Next, CAM Poshak, recently in news, is a herbal product that helps in boosting human immunity, reducing body temperature, improving appetite, controlling TB. CAM Poshak, it is a herbal product that can improve human immunity. Headquarters of Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC is situated at Hong Kong, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore. There are 22 member countries in APEC. The headquarters is located at Singapore. Kumbh Mela is held on the banks of which river? Mahanadi, Shipra, Kaveri, Krishna. It was held at the banks of Shipra river. Next one, Vital Ventilator Intervention Technology, accessible locally, was developed by A. ISRO, ICMR, NASA, DRDO. It was developed by NASA. Who is the chairperson for National Council for Rejuvenation, Protection and Management of River Ganga? Also National Ganga Council. Narendra Modi, Nitin Gadkari, Rajiv Kumar, Amit Shah. Answer is A. Narendra Modi. He is the chairperson of National Ganga Council. Dash is a scented glutinous black rice variety which is a centuries old cultivation of Manipur. So it is a black rice variety that was cultivated in Manipur. What was its name? Chakhau, Katarni, Navra rice, Kala Namak. The answer is Chakhau. Now why it is in news? This Chakhau, the rice variety, it got its geographical indication tag recently by Government of India. GI tag. Now what is GI tag? A geographical indication is a name or sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. That means these products that are only available or only produced or manufactured in particular location only. Example, a town, region or a country. Some of GI tags are Kandamal Haldai, which was produced in Odisha. Pondam, Mizoram. It was the fabric that was produced in Mizoram. Next, Palani Panchamirtham, Kerala. It was the prasadam that was prepared in the temple of Kerala. Gulbarga Tur Dal of Karnataka. Tirur Betel Leaf of Kerala. Kola Chilli of Goa. And Kandangi Sari of Tamil Nadu. And Dindugal Locks of Tamil Nadu. They got GI tags recently. Next, leukemia is a cancer found in which of the following part of the body? Blood and bone marrow, pancreas, stomach, lungs. It was found in blood and bone marrow. Which of the following river is famous for frozen river trek or Chadar trek in India? Indus River, Sutlej River, Brahmaputra River, Zanskar River. It was found in Zanskar River. Dash aims to land the first woman on the moon through the mission named Artemis. NASA, Roscosmos, ISRO, JAXA. So NASA aims to land the first woman on the moon with the help of this mission Artemis. Puram festival is celebrated in which southern state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. It was celebrated in Kerala. Bannerghatta National Park is located in which state? Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha. It was located in Karnataka. Jallikattu is celebrated in which southern state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. It was celebrated in B. Tamil Nadu. Next, majority of Chakma and Hazong communities live in which of the following state of India? Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Now these are the communities. Chakma is the Buddhist community and Hazong is the Hindu community. So these communities are migrated from Bangladesh and were settled in Arunachal Pradesh. Answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Kovilapatti Kadalai Mithai, which received GI tag recently, belongs to which of the following state of India? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Telangana, D. Kerala. Answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Which product from Kashmir has received GI tag recently? Apple, saffron, dry fruits, apricots. The Kashmiri saffron got its GI tag recently. Which space agency to launch Perseverance rover mission to bring samples from Mars to Earth? NASA, ISRO, CSA, Roscosmos. So NASA launched Perseverance. Which of the following is currently describes geofencing? It is a global service for monitoring Earth's atmosphere. It creates a virtual boundary around specific location. It refers to the fencing being deployed at Mexico-US border. It is a proposed set of Earth protection satellite system. So geofencing means a virtual boundary around specific location. Next, Swamitwa scheme is new initiative of the Ministry of Agriculture, Panchayati Raj, Railways, Culture. It was launched by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Next one, the Unified Geological Map of the Moon has released by SpaceX, United States Geological Survey, Indian Space Research Organization, Laser Interferometer, Gravitational Wave Observatory. So this Unified Geological Map of the Moon, it was launched by United States Geological Survey. So it provides the 2D map images of Moon. Next, Project Koswara is an attempt to build a diagnostic tool for COVID-19 based on the respiratory, cough and speech sounds is launched by which of the following institute? IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, AIIMS Delhi, IIT Kharagpur. So this Project Koswara, it was launched by IISc Bangalore. Next one, Kanwar Lake Bird Sanctuary is located in which of the following state? West Bengal, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, D. Bihar. So this bird sanctuary is located in Bihar. Next one, Remdesivir, a vaccine developed to treat which disease originally? SARS, Ebola, Nipah, TB. So this Remdesivir, it was a vaccine that was developed to treat Ebola. Let's have a look at the important bird sanctuaries of India. So bird sanctuary, what is a bird sanctuary? A bird reserve is a wildlife refuge designed to protect bird species. So the main goal of a reserve is to prevent species from becoming endangered or extinct. The important bird sanctuaries of our country are Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary of Gujarat, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary of Rajasthan, Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary of Kerala, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary of Haryana, Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary of Goa, Kaundinya Bird Sanctuary of Andhra Pradesh, Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary of Tamil Nadu. This Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary, it was the oldest sanctuary of our country. Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary of Orissa, Kutch Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary of Gujarat, Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary Uttar Pradesh, Bakhira Bird Sanctuary of Uttar Pradesh. These are the important bird sanctuaries that you have to remember for exam point of view. That's all the current affairs for this week. I am providing the link to download the PDF of these current affairs in the description below. Friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to our channel, Yuvataram Education. You can follow us on Facebook /Yuvataram Education and Instagram /Yuvataram Education. Thank you all.